Welcome to Ekadaksha Learning Center, a unit of Ekadaksha Trust. Ekadaksha Trust was started to provide the best services and develop infrastructure to make this world a place where people with special needs can be respected for who they are and learn to be responsible, independent human beings. Ekadaksha Learning Center caters to children with special needs from the age of 4 to 18 years who have autism, learning difficulties, intellectually challenged, and have social, emotional, behavioral, or communication issues. Some of the children come from lower economic groups for whom Ekadaksha collects funds in order to provide them an education just like any other child. The services provided at Ekadaksha Learning Center work towards the overall and wholesome development of a child with special needs. We begin the day with prayers, attendance, and confidence building through performances and encouragement. Later during the day, activities include those to develop gross motor skills, fine motor skills, communication, socializing, focus, confidence, and various life skills. We also teach academics which may be functional or based on a regular school curriculum. There are programs for early intervention, pre-vocational, as well as school pull-out and readiness programs. At Ekadaksha, we have formulated our own curriculum based on all these mentioned aspects. We do assessments, discuss with parents and teachers to make achievable goals for the child. These goals will help them become responsible and independent as they can be. Everything we do is hands-on and practical. Each child learns differently, so materials and methods vary depending on each of their needs. Each child's need is different and each child is unique, and therefore the goals are also child-specific. Fun activities like dance, music, storytelling, etc., as well as celebrating every festival is an essential part of our center. When we have fun, the children have fun. They learn to enjoy as well as be disciplined. Each child has a unique ability which we are trying to find out in order to help them and guide them to the right path. Our teachers are dedicated and so passionate about their work as well. We concentrate a lot on the independence in activities of daily living like eating, dressing, etc. All these skills will help them in their life. We basically try to provide the best physically and mentally to the children and their parents. Apart from all these services, we also have remedial one-on-one sessions and remedial group sessions which are also child-specific. Ekadaksha strives to provide the best possible services and help children with special needs and their families. With the COVID-19 pandemic, many parents are finding it difficult to make ends meet. However, they do want an education for their child, and we at Ekadaksha also do not have the heart to say no. However, in order to run the show, maintain the facilities, develop the facilities, and give the best resources, monetary help is definitely a necessity. We request you to help us out as best as you can by sponsoring the education of a child or contributing towards the initiative towards people with special needs. Thank you.